Hey everyone, welcome back with me Tia Artis. And today we're gonna do kayak at a Buffalo Park Campground, Virginia. It's kayaking time now. It's a little bit cloudy and chill, but I try to manage it. So let's get started. I just launched my kayak in front the campsite number 10 at the Buffalo Park Campground. And this campground is a waterfront campsite and it's beautiful, all surrounding with the water. Over there is a boat lounge. Mostly people launch the boat or jet ski over there. And you can see over there is a boat. I just chill here, enjoy the breeze, drift, the view while I'm pedal my kayak. Enjoy whatever nature that's over me. It's just mesmerized me. So far, Buffalo Park Campground is one of my favorite. Jet ski is coming on the back of me. It's so beautiful and peaceful. And finally, the sun is up. So, yeah, I get to enjoy this view and feel the wonderful with my kayak. Look at that view, the background. Nice. Beautiful. Alright everyone, so thank you so much to watch my video and see you next time in my other adventure. Bye.